Welcome back to Almighty Blues Cricket, your central place for all Indian and RCB cricket. I am back. Yes, it's Ankit from Almighty Blues Cricket. It's been a while, I know. Obviously, getting over that RCB loss, RCB yet again, but it is the biggest of all tournaments, especially for T20 lovers, right? T20 cricket, as we called, it is basically at the highest stage with the World Cup. Of course, it's already going on, and you must be wondering why didn't I cover the warm up matches or, of course, the initial qualifying matches? Well, because as I said, this is a central place for all Indian and RCB cricket. And before we get into it, into the details, let's smash that like button as well as subscribe because this channel definitely deserves to grow. Don't you agree? If yes, do share the link as well so that we have many more watchers and they subscribe too, just like you would do, I would assume. Do press that bell notification icon so that you know when a video is being uploaded or when I am live. So let's get into it, guys. It is the seventh, yes, seventh ICC Cricket World Cup of T20s, of course, and hopefully our second win. Of course, we won that inaugural, T20 tournament in back in 2007. It's been a long time now. Come on, India, you can do it. This is a tournament. Of course, India was supposed to host, but we all know what we have gone through in the last couple of years, right? As in, obviously, the pandemic situation hasn't helped in India. Luckily, UAE agreed to host this, just like they did the IPL. Sorry. So yes, Oman also is another country, and of course, you might hear some background noise. So I'm apologizing for that because there is something going on in my building, and I cannot really help it. But as I say that, India is the host, even though it's in UAE. So let's actually focus and basically let's get to win the tournament. Like that is what we want. We need to win an ICC tournament. It's been a long time coming. I know 2011 World Cup champs, but recent too many knockout matches we've been eliminated. So we don't want that, and we want the right frame of mind. And this team can do it, especially under Virat Kohli's last tournament as captain and MS Dhoni, yes, who's back in the Indian team setup. Of course, not playing, but still his guidance and consulting ability is second to none. Fresh from a IPL victory, I have to say. Chennai Super Kings, congratulations. But again, getting back to the World Cup, first, yes, आज obviously I'll be covering a little bit of content in Hindi as well. So you Hindi lovers out there, do comment how do you feel. But yes, आज India versus Pakistan है. मौका 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 मौका. Everyone remembers, I'm sure. But it is the World Cup after all, and India definitely is above Pakistan in terms of World Cups, and we have to win the game. But before that, फॉर्मेट देखते हैं. लाइक फॉर्मेट में आई थिंक इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, पहले क्वालिफाइंग थे, उसमें 8 टीम्स थे, एंड 8 टीम्स में से ऑब्वियसली 4 टीम्स क्वालिफाई हुए हैं एंड 2 ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड हुए. सो 2 ग्रुप्स आर देयर, ग्रुप 1 एंड ग्रुप 2, एंड ग्रुप 1 डेफिनेटली इज द ग्रुप ऑफ डेथ. But Group 2 is what India belongs to and Pakistan belongs to as well. And of course, इतना easy नहीं है. Group 2 में भी India, Pakistan, New Zealand है, which are really difficult teams, I would say. New Zealand ICC Test Championship, remember? We did cover on RCB and Chelsea Fan TV. Don't want to remember that much, but yes, Afghanistan, lightly मत लेना India, Afghanistan को. And of course, Scotland और Namibia जो qualify हुए, like I said, the qualifying groups were there. और Group 1 में आई वुड से ग्रुप ऑफ दैट, क्योंकि वहाँ पर यू हैव ऑस्ट्रेलिया, इंग्लैंड हु आर बेसिकली रैंक 1 in T20s, वेस्ट इंडीज, साउथ अफ्रीका, and of course Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. Sri Lanka, India lost the series, and we'll come to the form as well. But in terms of the venues and the locations, right, as in definitely, as I said, UAE में हो रहा है, and thanks to UAE again. But in UAE specifically, mainly India का base Dubai है. So I think India, obviously there are 5 other teams apart from India in the group, and 4 would qualify semis के लिए. Obviously 2 would qualify from the group and 2 from the other group. So it's directly to the semi-finals, and each team plays each other team once. So 5 matches में से 4 matches, yes, 4 matches Dubai में है, right? And that is a crucial factor. Of course, with RCB and with a few other teams like Mumbai Indians and so on and so forth, Chennai, of course, lot of players have already the experience in the IPL who played recently, so that will help. Like in India Pakistan match also is in Dubai, right? So that is the main thing, and we should definitely look at, as in how the pitch will behave, how the ground conditions are. आईपीएल को देखा जाए तो डेफिनेटली इतना हाई स्कोरिंग मैचेस नहीं हुए यूएई में, बट दुबई में particularly I think there have been higher scoring matches compared to Sharjah, so that is a good factor because Indians have a lot of hard hitting batsmen, Pakistan don't. And of course Pakistan are ranked too, so we have to respect them. In terms of the ground though, पाकिस्तान के लिए घर जैसा ही है, right, Dubai, because unfortunately we all know what PCB has gone through in the last few years. So for them, playing in Dubai is like home because they've been playing in UAE especially in the last few years, and Sharjah पहले हुआ करता था anyway in the 1990s, if you all remember. In the 1990s kids, yes, I am one, but yeah, and then definitely ये घर जैसा ही है. So ये इससे बढ़िया मौका और क्या मिलेगा पाकिस्तान को, that's what I can say, right? But in terms of the pitch now, there is basically expected that not the pitch but the ground conditions dew factor will come in. So obviously this being a night game, it is even more so expected. So toss will be crucial, and winning the toss and batting second would be key because the ball will come out to the bat, right? So Virat Kohli, toss master or toss miss master, you always miss tosses. Come on, win the toss and opt to field first because that's what you like anyway, right? And that's what I would say. But again, like as I said, the surface is better than Sharjah, so as in the game will be kind of even anyway. It's just the dew factor is the only thing I would say. But yes, batting second, I think IPL में देखा जाए तो 13 में से 9 मैचेस सेकंड बैटिंग टीम को को जीत मिली है. तो दैट इज समथिंग दैट इंडिया विल सर्टनली बी कीपिंग इन माइंड. ऑफ कोर्स पाकिस्तान, आई एम ऑब्वियसली टॉकिंग फ्रॉम एन इंडियन पर्सपेक्टिव, बट यू पाकिस्तान व्यूअर्स आउट देयर, आई होप यू लाइक द कंटेंट एज वेल. बट यस, average first inning score has been 156, right? So keep that in mind. But it's India Pakistan, you can never call what is the average score. It depends on the day, emotions come into picture, and जो ज़्यादा pumped up है and जो ज़्यादा not only pumped up but obviously apply करता है उस pressure situation में, वही जीतेगा, right? It is a pressure situation, I know, knockout नहीं है, and we've had obviously multiple head to heads. Like let's look at the head to head, right? Obviously historically देखा जाए तो इन T20s इंडिया का पलड़ा भारी है, बहुत भारी है. इंडिया ने आई थिंक 7 बार हार दिखाया है पाकिस्तान को, एंड पाकिस्तान ने खाली 1 बार जीता है, right? And that is also not, I think it was an Asian T20 if I remember right. Again, comment below if I'm wrong, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से इंडिया 7 बार जीती है पाकिस्तान के अगेंस्ट, एंड इंक्लूडिंग दैट इनॉग्रल मैच, yes, not that inaugural 2007 World Cup final, but the inaugural group match in 2007 World Cup, bowl out. And again, you kids out there who just started watching cricket or were not there in 2007, sorry about that. There used to be a bowl out in cricket, and that is what Pakistan lost. And yes, there is someone at the door, but we will continue, right? Still, let them keep waiting, and then this is more important, I feel. But anyway, having said that, definitely, it is definitely India dominating against Pakistan. But I have to give you that. वर्ल्ड कप्स में पाकिस्तान को मौका कभी नहीं मिला है, दैट ऑल्सो एक्सेप्टेड, राइट? अगेन, इंडिया इज डेफिनेटली द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट टीम इन वर्ल्ड कप्स कंपेयर टू पाकिस्तान. एक बार भी पाकिस्तान ने हार नहीं दिखाया इंडिया को, सो मेनी टाइम्स. लेकिन आई एम कमिंग टू दैट, इट इज द फैक्ट दैट इंडिया हिस्टोरिकली इज डेफिनेटली नॉट above Pakistan, and that's a surprise for me. I know it has been a very long time, but again, those who watched cricket in the 1990s, 1980s even, they know that in Sharjah, when we used to play, Pakistan dominated us, and that is something that Pakistan are seeking towards in the coming years. You never know. Do you think Pakistan cricket can reach there? Yes, they have, I think, beaten India about 86 times, whereas India has beaten only 70 times. And that is something that India needs to better and better and better, and they're getting there. And, even like, in the last 2.5 years, I think we have not met. So I don't think it'll matter much in terms of history. But like I said, like 2019 World Cup में भी, last that we played, हमने बहुत अच्छे से हराया था पाकिस्तान को. I know it was a Duckworth-Lewis system that kind of determined the end of the game. Not really great, but फिर भी, it was a dominating performance by India, I would say, especially in the batting. But in 2017 Champions Trophy, when it mattered the most in recent years, it was Pakistan who beat India in the final when India took Pakistan lightly. Everyone cannot forget that Fakhar Zaman innings, right? And that's something that India will keep in mind. Definitely cannot underestimate Pakistan. I don't know. Do you all think this is possible again? T20 है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, right? Fitness देखते हैं, right? In terms of fitness, I believe both the teams are fit. There are no fitness concerns whatsoever. The squads are strong enough and they are kind of in form as well. And we'll get to details. KL Rahul, I know thoda sa I think back issue tha against Australia in the warm-up match, but he seemed to be fine when batting later. So I think they should play with the regular 11s. I don't see any major changes there. But in terms of form, India in the warm-up matches beat Australia and England. Like I said earlier, England is ranked 1. I know it was a warm-up match, but still, confidence is something, and वो definitely India को use करना चाहिए here. Pakistan on the other hand, in the warm-up matches, I think they lost one. I think that was South Africa. लेकिन वो last ball तक गया था match, so बहुत close था, so cannot say anything. And the other one was against West Indies, who lost badly to England yesterday, like crazy, right? As in again, West Indies is unpredictable. That's how they are, and Pakistan also one of those unpredictable sides. सीरीज में देखा जाए तो एज एन एक्चुअल सीरीज जो हुआ है रिसेंटली इन टर्म्स ऑफ T20 सीरीज, इंडिया ने डेफिनेटली हैज एक्सपीरियंस्ड अ ग्रेट पीरियड, बट श्रीलंका में हारी थी इंडिया रिसेंटली. ऑफ कोर्स इट वाज अ बी टीम ऑलमोस्ट विद द कोविड सिचुएशन एंड लॉट ऑफ यंगस्टर्स बीइंग पिक्ड ऑलरेडी, लेकिन श्रीलंका बीट इंडिया. दैट वाज द बॉटम लाइन. एंड Pakistan most recently I think beat West Indies. It was only a one-off match because the others were rained off, unfortunately for Pakistan. Again, they play their matches on the away. India before that did play at home versus England when they beat England, close series 3-2, and Pakistan on the other hand lost to England 1-2. So that's something to note again. It may or may not help. That's something that maybe while kind of on the pitch they may kind of remind Pakistan, but again it's more about India and Pakistan here. So look at the starting 11s is what we'll come to. Pakistan, well, kudos to them. 12 already announced कर दिया Pakistan. Yes, and their captain, who is basically the main danger man for me, Babar Azam. Babar Azam is basically the next big thing in Indian, or rather world cricket. Sorry, how could it be Indian cricket? But it's definitely him along with Mohammad Rizwan. I think they are the highest run getters in 2021 in terms of T20s. All T20s put together in 2021, it is Babar Azam and Mohammad Rizwan are the top 2 run getters. Now that is something that India needs to keep in mind. Early wickets is the key. Fakhar Zaman, the more I say about this is less. Against India especially, we have to keep in mind, to counter Fakhar Zaman, will India play Ashwin? I think that's a possibility, right? Off spin against Fakhar Zaman. I think that's a very high possibility for me. Again, comment below what do you think. Varun Chakravarti, क्या आप दिखाना चाहेंगे वरुण चक्रवर्ती का मिस्ट्री टू पाकिस्तान? पाकिस्तान डोंट प्ले IPL क्रिकेट, रिमेंबर, दे डोंट प्ले एनी क्रिकेट. वी हैवंट प्लेड अगेंस्ट देम इन 2.5 years. तो वरुण चक्रवर्ती का मिस्ट्री रखिए अभी. मे बी विल मीट पाकिस्तान अगेन इन सेमीज. दैट्स समथिंग दैट वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट इन द फाइनल रादर. सो I never know. So I would actually play Ashwin, whom Pakistan have played in the past. And anyway, it's good against Fakhar Zaman. Mohammad Hafiz, Shoaib Malik may come into picture because of the experience. They are definitely named in the 12 again. Shoaib Malik, कुछ share करना चाहूँगा. Definitely, he's someone that I can say I can have a soft spot because he's a great guy. I have met him in person, and of course, he came to Toronto and we had a great tournament. And Shoaib Malik was there right next to me, and we spoke for a good few minutes. Very humble guy, right? And of course, the Sania Mirza connection. So Shoaib Malik, hats off to you. Maybe it's his last international tournament even, right? So that's something. And again, there's someone at the door. लेकिन हम नहीं जाएंगे क्योंकि हमारा important चीज़ ये है India versus Pakistan at T20 World Cup. Yes, let them wait is what I would say. But in terms of Pakistan, the remaining people we have Shadab Khan. he will definitely be useful against India. Virat Kohli, spinners के against इतना अच्छा नहीं करता है recently, so I think Imad Wasim may come in as well. And middle overs में Virat Kohli has to kind of work, definitely better than what he did in IPL. Hassan Ali, Haris Rauf, and Shaheen Afridi. Shaheen Afridi, their X factor will definitely, be the key for me. India, well, comment below. What do you think is the possible 11? India का problem क्या है मैं बोलूँ? The bowling. Only 5 bowlers is what we can expect because Hardik Pandya is not bowling. He didn't bowl a single ball in IPL, even though he went on record saying that he could bowl if need be. I don't know. Rohit Sharma, KL Rahul, Virat Kohli has gone on record saying that definitely they will be opening. So they will be opening if they are fit, that is, of course. Virat Kohli, come on. Like I said, last tournament as captain, India versus Pakistan, the big stage, the nemesis for Pakistan, just like Fakhar Zaman has been for India. He is the highest run getter of last 2 T20 World Cups. Let's have it the third time as well. And of course, hasn't been out. Yes, he hasn't been out against Pakistan in T20 internationals. Interesting, right? I think in Cricket World Cups, he's played 3 innings. And out of, I think, we played Pakistan 5 times in Cricket World Cups in T20s. And Virat Kohli batted thrice, and all 3 times he was not out. So hopefully a 4th time. Surya Kumar Yadav definitely has to come in, and he was getting into form towards the end of the IPL. Ishan Kishan, unfortunate. I know you would be tempted to get in a left-hander, but as you know, on this channel, Almighty Blues FC doesn't become, we don't depend so much on left hand, right hand. It's more about the quality and the form. So I think I'll go with Surya Kumar Yadav just over Ishan Kishan. Rishabh Pant has to come in. Again, a player who was coming back to form towards the end of IPL, our wicketkeeper. And of course, the mentee for Dhoni. So I think he'll definitely be there. Hardik Pandya hopefully gets to form. Like, he is the key for India, especially those end overs. Pakistan, like, they have the worst, I think, 6 per ball ratio among all the 8 teams, all the top teams, that is, that we're talking about out of the 12 teams. So for me, Hardik Pandya is the difference that India brings comparatively, along with Ravindra Jadeja, the man in form, of course, IPL winner. Ravi Ashwin or Varun Chakravarti, we've already spoken on that. Shardul Thakur or Bhuvi, I would play Shardul because of the recent confidence. Bhuvi has not been bowling well in that overs, so I would play Shardul. Again, someone who could, hit the ball. It's just the confidence, it's T20 momentum, otherwise Bhuvi is class, right? Shami, Bumrah, they pick themselves. So I think there's no kind of reason for us to basically change much there. Of course, 3 fast bowlers here because of Hardik Pandya not being able to bowl, and of course the dew factor. So dew factor, you don't want spinners bowling in that dew condition. So I don't see a Rahul Chair, etc. coming in. But yes, a lot of things going around. I don't know if you're able to hear. Hopefully, yes. I hope you've liked that content. In terms of predictions, definitely it has to be India. India. Come on, India. We cannot lose to Pakistan. It is World Cup. No mauka for Pakistan. Please, mauka mat dijiye India. India has to get the momentum and focus in an ICC tournament to get that victory. It is the cup for India. And I can see definitely us going very well against Pakistan. I know we will meet them again. I feel that Pakistan in this tournament, just like 2007, but I can see a victory just like we did in all those World Cups. Come on, no Champions Trophy losses. It is the World Cup that we are back. So that is why India has to shine. Until then, take care, smash that like button, subscribe, share the link and the bell notification icon. Always open to feedback. Almighty Blues FC also follows. Yes, that is a football channel, but this is Almighty Blues Cricket. Thank you.